All right. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Module 2, Video 1 of Technical Development. And today we are going to talk about Facebook fan pages, how to set them up, what they are, what they're for, and why we want one. So, first of all, just to clarify, a Facebook fan page is just a separate page from your Facebook personal profile that allows you to build a following or an audience around any type of good product, service, business, idea, thought, belief, anything that you're passionate about, you can create a fan page around that subject or topic. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, first of all, because you can reach just exponentially more people with a fan page than you can with your personal profile. Your profile only allows you to have 5,000 friends, where your fan page can get unlimited likes. So every time you post a post on your fan page, you can have potentially thousands and hundreds of thousands of people seeing that post, especially if you do something like run an ad, which we'll talk about. You can actually target specific audiences with your posts and only have those people who are interested in your brand, business, service, or product, what have you, only see those posts. So it's a very, very powerful tool to use. You can also see things like analytics and keep track of who's engaging with your content, how old they are, their genders, their nationality. I mean, everything about your audience, you can track all that so you can more effectively, create content and reach more of your target demographic. So the fan page is also going to be more or less like the front entryway to your business or your product or your service or your brand. So you want it to be welcoming, you want it to look nice, you don't want it to be too salesy, you don't want to have a bunch of like sales stuff and pitchy, numbers and stuff like that. A little bit is okay, but you want people to stick around and hang out and kind of see what you're all about or what your brand's all about. So whenever you're creating your fan page, just think, what would I want a fan page to look like, or what would make me stick around on someone's page, and want to hang out and find out more about what they have to offer. So if you immediately go to someone's fan page and they have a bunch of, company brands and logos and just a bunch of, just not aesthetically pleasing content, then most people are not going to stick around too long to check out the fan page. So this is just mine. I have lots of pictures that I take from places that I go. I have a couple other examples. This is Mr. Brian Dixon. He's one of my personal friends and mentors. So you can kind of see his fan page, some of the content that he posts here. We'll check out Mr. Travis Holder. So you want to post captivating pictures that look good. Smiles are always good. Looking at the camera is recommended, especially for your profile picture. And the content is what's important. If you can consistently post quality content, that's key. Just be consistent, and over time, your crowd and your following will grow, and you'll be able to reach more people. And we'll talk about different strategies of building your audience and building your following on your fan page. Here's another example, Mr. Mike Dillard. He's a very famous and successful internet entrepreneur and podcaster, product developer, just a really, really successful guy. I think he had the #1 podcast, or still does for a long time, Self-Made Man. So here's his fan page. Whenever you create your fan page, just model it after other people or other businesses in your industry. Here's Chiara Francica. She's a female internet marketer, so you can check out her page. She's done very well. Here is, I don't know who this person is, I just found her fan page, but it looks really cool. She's a female world trip on motorcycle, so that's pretty awesome. She's got this tattoo here. It's pretty cool. I have a dream. I'm sure a lot of people have similar tattoos, so they'll relate to that. And she's got some really, really cool pictures and stories. So she's got a book, it looks like. So, these are all reasons you want a fan page. Now, you can have unlimited fan pages too. So you don't just have to only have one. You can start with one, and you can create as many more as you want to around as many, ideas or brands or industries or niches as you'd like. This one's living healthy with chocolate. So over time, once you gain a big audience, see, this has 107,000 plus likes. That means you can run an ad on this page about chocolate or something or anything related to this, and you can monetize these fan pages over time. Once you have a lot of people following you, you can offer them something, and 1,000 people out of 100,000 buy something, and you profit $10 per customer. Well, you just made $10,000 in a really short amount of time. So it becomes very, very powerful as far as what you can do with these fan pages. So let's get started, and we'll just set up our fan page. It'll be very, very simple. So all you do from your personal profile or anywhere on Facebook, you click this little arrow up here. You come down and you click create page. From that point right there, you're going to be taken to this screen, and then you're going to choose what type of page do we want. Is it a local business? Is it a company, organization, institution? Is it a brand or a product? Is it a cause, community, or are we entertainment related, or are we an artist, band, or public figure? Now I went ahead and I created one called Donna's Dog Groomer. So I'm going to use that as an example, and we're going to use that for our example here. So first we type in the business name, Donna's Dog Grooming. I'm here in Scottsdale right now, so we'll leave it there. Type in the address, right, zip code, phone number, right, and choose a category. So we'll choose pet service, I believe, right there, pet service. So you want to just fill in the information about whatever the business is. Now this could be your business, or you could set up a fan page for somebody else's business, okay? I think Jordan may have talked to you guys about that in some of the previous videos. So, these skills are applicable to all sorts of things that you can, do. So we'll click Get Started. Now, I'm not going to click this. I'm going to go ahead and just go to the fan page I created, which literally is going to be just like it would be if I click that button, Donna's Dog Grooming. So this is it right here. Now, the only thing I've done is I've added a photo right here, and I've added a photo right here. Both of these photos I just got from Google. They're free stock photos. I use them because obviously I'm not a dog groomer, and I don't have just pictures to use. So in your case, if you're branding a dog groomer, maybe take some pictures yourself of some dogs, or take some picture of whoever the groomer is with some dogs that they're grooming. But you want to once again have nice pictures, captivating, warm, engaging, clean looking. You might be able to make your cover photo better than this. I'll show you exactly what I did to make it. And then this is just a photo, like I said, that I grabbed off Google. So literally, if you just come to Google and you type in dogs no background, when you go to images, you get all these pictures of dogs. Whoops. Not sure what's going on there, but oh, there we go. All these pictures of dogs. So, I think the one I used is somewhere down. Oh, that's a cute one. Somewhere down here. Either way, oh, there it is. Similar to this one. So literally, I just click the picture, view the image, double click, and then save as. This one has a little watermark here, so you want to find one that doesn't have a watermark. So here we go. So any of these would work. So you just save the image to your computer, and then what I use to actually put it in there, or to edit it, I use Canva, which is just a free application. This is Canva. You just go to canva.com and you click create a design. Okay. And then you just click Facebook cover photo. Pretty simple. Where is that at? Facebook. Right here. So you pick Facebook cover, because that's what we're doing, and then you just choose a template. Now you can pick any one you want, and you can edit them after you drag and drop it. So if we just pick, I think I picked this one maybe. So you pick your picture and then you come over here to uploads, upload our own images. Now I already uploaded the picture of the dog, so it's right here. So you just would drag it right there like that. And then you can come over here and change the text. Alright, so you can play around with Canva and get familiar with how you can use it. Okay, you can change the text size up here. Right? You can delete these little words down here. So Canva is a really cool app. You can use it for all kinds of things. Facebook cover photos, Instagram posts, all kinds of cool stuff. So you can design this how you want to design it, and then once you feel like it's good, you just save it, come up here and you go download, right? You download this image to your computer, and then you can just use that for your cover photo. The other thing you can do when creating a cover photo for Facebook, right? So we'll save it here. Donna Dog Groomer. Save it on the desktop. So there it is. So we have our photo, and then we would just upload that to Canva. Some kind of problem there, but I already did it. So there we go. So the other thing you could do though too is come over here to Fiverr. Fiverr is a site where you can go to outsource, and you can actually pay someone $5 or so, and they can create you a custom cover photo or logo, or really anything you want to be here under graphic design, logo design, illustrations, book covers, social media design, all these different things you can choose from. It's very, very inexpensive, and you can just have someone do it for you. Design any banner, Facebook timeline, create a Facebook cover photo banner. So there you go, 25 bucks, $5, really, really cheap. So a couple different options there that you can do. So coming back to our Facebook fan page, Donna the Dog Groomer. Here we go. So we uploaded our picture in here that we created on Canva, or we used Fiverr. And to put it in there, you just click right up here, change cover, upload photo, right? And then here, same thing, upload photo. Right? So say whatever picture you want to use, upload it, and then there you go. So just a couple of little notes here too. We'll come over here and look under Insights. This is where eventually you're going to be able to see all kinds of information about your fan page. And I just created this, so we don't have a lot of engagement. This is just an example, but this is where you'd see all these statistics and the analytics of your fan page right here. So very, very powerful stuff. There's actually a community that I'm involved with, and there's a student in there that purchased one of the courses that we offer, and she actually set up a fan page for her aunt, who is a dog groomer, and got her aunt so many dogs to groom within a matter of weeks or months. She couldn't handle them all, so in order to scale up the business, they actually started to monetize the dog fan page with doggy products like doggy collars and doggy t-shirts and all kinds of dog products, and we're selling them on the fan page, and literally, no joke, they're making tens of thousands of dollars a month because of that one fan page that they set up. Dog owners are extremely passionate people, so anything that any page that you develop around a passionate subject like dogs, or even a TV show that people are passionate about, you can then turn around and monetize that site and offer things to those people so they can purchase them. Over time, you're going to be building an audience of people that know, like, and trust you, which is called the KLT factor. And that's the whole point of being consistent with your content. When you put out content, weekly or daily, if you have the time, people begin to get familiar with who you are and what you're about and what you're doing, and they feel like they know you. If you post videos, that's even better. Videos of yourself, to help people get to know you. Pictures like this, little stories. So all these little things over time create a snowball effect to where, eventually just have people, reaching out to you and asking you what you're doing, or wanting to do business with you or purchase your product. So really, really cool stuff. So that is really how easy and simple it is to set up a Facebook fan page. Not much to it. Once again, you can have unlimited likes, you can reach your target audience, you can create as many fan pages as you want around as many topics as you want. I would suggest starting with one at first and just focus on that. But over time, you can develop, unlimited fan pages and monetize all of them. So go ahead and set up your fan page, and I will see you on video 2.